If an RNAV GNSS approach with SBAS vertical guidance and LPV minima is chosen for the arrival at the destination airport, in short, an LPV approach, we can expect different preparation before flying than for conventional ILS approach. However, a check on the availability of the ground-based radio navigation facilities in NOTAM or IPE supplement is not to be left out because they may be required for a missed approach procedure or for flight to an alternate aerodrome. This is also related to an adequate functionality check of the onboard equipment. Verification of a minimum equipment list or kinds of operation equipment list (COEL) is required as well. Check the availability of the GNSS signal. For GPS, i.e. RAIM availability prediction in time slot plus minus 15 minutes from expected time of arrival. This can be done in two ways, using a RAIM prediction on the internet or by means of a GNSS receiver. Do not forget a GNSS NOTAM check where available. The same applies for the SBAS signals. For European aerodromes publish the LPV approach, EGNOS NOTAM is issued to inform about the unavailability of the EGNOS signal if the expected outage exceeds 15 minutes. Navigation database, current IRAC cycle, should be valid and contain the intended LPV approach. GNSS device settings should be inspected too. The backup procedures should be checked for the case of RNAV unavailability. According to European regulations, an approach based on conventional radio navigation aids must be available at the alternate aerodrome or at the destination aerodrome where the alternate is not required. In the United States, this is not required in the case of SBAS system VAS. However, the use of the LNAV planning minima for the alternate aerodrome is mandatory. The correct filling in of the flight plan remains the same. Nevertheless, the correct PBN equipment should be entered in it, and the meteorological conditions for the approach should be verified. Both the visibility and the cloud base have to be assessed, and the values should not be lower than the minima indicated on the approach chart at the estimated time of arrival plus minus 1 hour. The operator's procedures, however, shall be applied too. Airport QNH will not be necessary for guidance along the glide path itself. Nonetheless, the altimeter must be set to correctly determine the decision height. Local QNH is usually needed for the approach, but some procedures may be published with a minima for using the remote QNH from a nearby airport. More demanding ground preparation prior to using an AirNav GNSS approach is the price paid for a number of benefits for airport operators and IFR pilots. It should not be underestimated.